Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something that's made in India and made for privacy. Zoho's Ulaa Browser. You might have heard of Zoho as the company behind a suite of business apps, but did you know they have also built a browser that claims to protect your privacy, block ads, and boost productivity? Let's find out if Ulaa can really challenge browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Brave, or any Chromium browsers. I know your first doubt is what is exactly Ulaa. So Ulaa is a privacy-focused browser developed by Zoho, an Indian tech company known for its productivity tools. And the word Ulaa actually means journey in Tamil, and this browser is Zoho's journey towards giving users more control over their online experiences. It is available on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS, and it is built using the Chromium engine, so it's feel familiar like Chrome but with more privacy-focused tweaks. Let's explore it. So in your browser, just search Ulaa browser, or in your address bar of browser, just type ula.com or enter this website. So now let's talk about privacy. Ulaa's biggest strength. No tracking. Ulaa does not track your browsing data, behavior, or user ID. Built-in ad blocker. Say goodbye to annoying pop-ups and trackers. There have various type of isolation mode. This is cool feature of Ulaa browser. Ulaa have five different mode: personal mode, work mode, kids mode, developer mode, open season mode. Each mode keeps your cookies, browsing histories, and extension completely separate, so you can maintain privacy between personal and work life. So if you want to download this browser, just here click download for Windows, and a file is installed. I have this browser already installed, so just after the download, you just show in this Ulaa installer, and here two options: install Ulaa for all user on this device and install Ulaa for current user only. I just click it and setting up, waits, and click yes. This will only take a few seconds. Wait. So it is done. Click there and let's go set up. Enter your profile name. I just name Prem Mansure. Okay. Set default as a developer. Click continue and new password. I just keep and continue. Okay. There have a standard and the extreme. This is ad blocking, tracking, analysis, blocking, analysis, various type of features. So I click extreme and continue. This is the smart dashboard, it's minimal. So I click the smart, and this is the like. I prefer dark mode. And what is your search engine? So I click Google, and if you want to, just click DuckDuckGo, and or Yahoo. So both are really gorgeous search engine. Okay, so I prefer Google. Here, Microsoft Internet Explorer. Okay, that's it. I write Chrome personal data. Select item, improve. Okay, continue. Bookmark also. Does not need. Skip and start browsing. Okay, so here that's really cool. Wait. So you just you can import your all the data of your Chrome, or you want your Microsoft data in this browser, you can. Okay, so this is really cool here. And here Google, this is the Stack Overflow. Okay, just search. Okay, anything like what do you want to search, like Zoho. Okay, yeah, I think this is cool. Okay, I want to import all things. Okay, no, wait. So the interface feels clean and fast. If you have used Chrome before, you will feel right at home. But here is a twist. Ulaa actually consumes less RAM than Chrome during multitasking. And page load noticeably, this is quicker when you have got ad blocking on. And let's explore it. So I think, so here is the bookmark section. You can add your bookmark from here, and this is disable. This is the dark or light section, like tip section, and this is your Ula privacy, you can set your preferences from here, or also you can update the filters list from here, and this is the your privacy report. Okay, let's check it. This is the website. This is social media malware. Okay, gambling, website trackers. Okay, so here you can see this is the green sense. I use Wikipedia, Google.com. That's right. 1 minute 31 second I spent, and this is your privacy report of 4 request blocked and 27 request received. So you are safe with Ula. Okay. So here you can switch your browsing mode from developer to working or personal. Okay. So this is the working mode. Okay. So we need to go to the developer mode. So this is the quick section. You can configure your wish from here. Dark mode, filter, intensify. Okay. And this is the notebook, right? Yeah, this is the Zoho notebook. You need to sign in here. Let's check it. And also I think they have a screenshot. Yeah, the screen capture is really amazing. Okay, the screen recorder system is here, and they have a focused area. Okay, you can just screen capture from here. This is really cool. Also you can edit from here. Also you can search the preferences, is the account preferences, yes. And you can just browser settings, go to the browser settings, you configure from here. This is the address your, this is the resize address bar. What's wrong with that? I don't know. And also you can just check your task manager from here. More tools to task manager. Let's check it. Browser, what's task is going ongoing right now. Okay, and you can also see the performance from here. Okay, so you can just click the energy saver, it's memory saver, energy saver. Okay, and also there have a, you can just go to your tab section, and there have a, okay, you can just copy link of this page. Also you can just save as the in HTML format. Okay, let's check it. Also you can print, also you can consult shift I. This is the developer mode on for the browser. Okay, so that's it. So go to the Ula website. It says choose privacy, choose Ula. Okay, so if you ask me what I really like, so that is Ula is made in India browser and competing with international giants. So Zoho has built it from scratch, and no foreign cloud dependencies, and no data reselling, and complete transparency about data handling. And I know there have a various downside or limitation. Of course, it is not perfect yet. Some extension from Chrome Web Store might not work smoothly, and since it is relatively new, performance can vary on the mobile version. But Zoho is updating it frequently, and for a new browser, it is surprisingly stable and powerful. So the last question, so should you switch to Zoho Ulaa? If you value privacy, Indian innovation and ad-free browsing, definitely give it a try. But if you are deep into Chrome ecosystem with all your extension and sync, it might take a bit of time to adjust. So thank you.